Number 1. 1977 Ford F-250 Ranger, $4,400, Snohomish, Washington. This 1977 Ford F-250 Ranger is a solid full-size classic pickup powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It runs and drives well and has received several upgrades, including a new alternator, a redhead steering box, and a dual exhaust system. Although the white repaint is cosmetic and the doors show some rust, the cab corners, floors, and bed remain in good condition. With functioning electrical components and good tires, this F-250 represents strong value as a vintage heavy-duty Ford truck. Number 2. 1964 Studebaker Champ Project, $3,400, Yucca Valley, California. This 1964 Studebaker Champ is a rare and collectible pickup well suited for a restoration project. It features a V8 engine with a manual transmission, but is currently not running, though the engine turns freely by hand. The truck comes with a clean title and long-term non-operational registration with no back fees. Its unique styling and limited production make it an appealing candidate for restoration enthusiasts. Number 3. 1985 GMC 1-ton diesel flatbed, $3,500, Dayton, Nevada. This 1985 GMC 1-ton flatbed is equipped with a reliable 6.2-liter diesel V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. With approximately 150,000 miles, it includes a large flatbed and liftgate, making it well-suited for hauling and work applications. Known for durability and efficiency, this classic GMC diesel offers practical utility with vintage appeal. Number 4. 1986 Mazda B2000 mini truck, $3,500, Auburn, Washington. This 1986 Mazda B2000 is a well-maintained and heavily modified mini truck featuring a 5-speed manual transmission. It has been professionally lowered with air suspension and a notched frame, giving it a custom street truck stance. Mechanical updates include a refreshed engine, new clutch, and improved fuel system. With upgraded audio, interior improvements, and strong running condition, this Mazda combines classic mini truck style with everyday usability. Number 5. 1982 Chevrolet C20 with work boxes, $4,500, Santa Rosa, California. This 1982 Chevrolet C20 is a heavy-duty work truck powered by a V8 engine and manual transmission. After extended storage, it received extensive servicing, including new belts, hoses, wiring, and a recently installed carburetor that requires minor adjustment. The odometer shows 44,000 miles, and the truck has a clean title. It is a solid choice for buyers seeking a classic work truck with dependable fundamentals. Number 6. 1986 GMC Sierra 1500, $4,200, Tacoma, Washington. This 1986 GMC Sierra 1500 is a clean and well-equipped classic pickup featuring a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It includes power windows, power locks, dual fuel tanks, and updated lighting. The truck runs and drives reliably and has been fitted with a new alarm system and battery. Its overall condition and comfort features make it a strong candidate for vintage daily driving. Number 7. 1999 Ford Ranger pickup, $900, Burien, Washington. This 1999 Ford Ranger is an affordable and practical compact pickup powered by a 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. With just over 205,000 miles, it remains dependable and comes with a service canopy featuring wide-opening side windows for easy access. While the door locks show wear, the truck has good brakes and tires, making it a capable budget utility vehicle. Number 8. 1967 Ford F100, $4,500, Kellogg, Idaho. This 1967 Ford F100 long bed pickup is a classic half-ton truck equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It runs well and comes with a clean title. With simple mechanicals and timeless styling, this F100 is an excellent entry point into classic Ford truck ownership for buyers seeking a drivable vintage pickup. Number 9. 1987 Toyota Pickup 22R, $8,500, San Jose, California. This 1987 Toyota pickup is powered by the legendary 22R 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Known for outstanding durability, it has received extensive recent maintenance, including work to the brakes, clutch components, suspension, and fuel system. The interior remains original and clean, with all systems functioning properly. This is a highly desirable classic Toyota that continues to deliver reliability and practicality. Number 10. 1974 Dodge W200 PowerWagon, $6,500, Novato, California. This 1974 Dodge W200 PowerWagon is a rugged 4-wheel drive classic, equipped with a 360 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. It has undergone extensive mechanical restoration, including rebuilt drivetrain components, new steering and suspension parts, and rust repair. Featuring heavy-duty axles and smog-exempt status, this PowerWagon is a capable and increasingly collectible vintage off-road truck. Number 11. 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $7,800, Richland, Washington. This 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special is powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and shifts well and is equipped with front disc brakes, fuel injection, and new tires. While the paint and interior need attention, the body shows minimal rust and all gauges and lights are functional. This truck offers solid driver quality condition with strong future potential. Number 12. 1969 Ford F-250, $7,500, Santee, California. This 1969 Ford F-250 two-wheel drive pickup is a clean and mostly original example featuring a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It is equipped with new 16-inch wheels and brand new tires, along with an exceptionally straight original tailgate. With classic late 1960s styling and a clean title, this truck is an appealing option for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a well-preserved vintage Ford.